Non-Techie HQ. In this video, we will cover how to use Square Waitlist in appointments. The waitlist feature is available on the Appointments Plus plan only. So we will start in our dashboard where we will go to Appointments. Then we will go to Waitlist in the left-hand side. From here, this is where you will view all of your waitlist requests. If you wanted to add a request here, you can have your clients, the date that they prefer, any date between certain times, and for a particular service. You will need to choose a staff for the service if it denotes, then you'll click Save. So that is how you create a waitlist client. Your clients can also add wait lists through the online booking. So they can add themselves to your wait list for a particular product, for a particular service, and date and time. So here we'll go to settings, calendar and booking, and we have our waitlist settings. You can enable the waitlist on your online booking site, and you can also set it to send the clients a notification when an opening occurs. I'm clicking save, then that change has saved. So now this waitlist will be added to your online booking. So we will go through as your client would, and we now have a button for join the waitlist. So they'll be able to select any date, any time within your time zone, or we'll be able to add in a time range and do any date. Save preference. We have the service. They'll be able to add their phone number, first name, last name, email, and be able to join the wait list. So that is how you add wait lists to your Square appointments.